Arrive in style with this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 18x 8.56 spoke machined aluminum, 20x 9 polished aluminum wheels, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, front bucket seats, perf leather appointed front outboard seat trim and 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.